Hey, everybody. David Cooper here with Linehaul News. I've got Jake and Emily from AP Equipment Finance. Guys, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having us, David.
Thanks, David.
Yeah, we are looking forward to and working upon all things for the Linehaul Summit coming up here in just a month, actually less than a month away now, from June 12th through the 14th in Dallas. One thing we're offering new this week or this year that you have seen is the Wednesday workshops. And one of those Wednesday workshops will be accelerating success, maximizing your business credit opportunities. And that's been put on by Jake and Emily here. So guys, give us a little background of what you'll be presenting down there.
We're hoping to share some tips and tricks with contractors as to how to get the most credit to finance your fleet at the best possible terms.
We're going to be going over how to really bulletproof your business credit and be the most sellable to the underwriter. So when you do go to the underwriter to get financing, you're going to be able to get the best terms possible.
Yeah, and that's so big. I've talked with several contractors, in my time of doing this, and one of the brightest guys that I know in the space is a gentleman out of the Northeast, and he comes from the banking background, right? And that's so interesting to me at this FedEx space as you get all these different backgrounds. But he's shown me some things and taught me some things that I didn't know about it of what you said of playing the underwriters against each other. That has improved our business more so, probably my brother's business more than mine. But it's been a big help for us over the years, and something that I don't think enough contractors take advantage of. So guys, get out there, come down here, see the show. It's the June 12th down there. They are on the 2:00 hour. If you need to sign up for these workshops, if you've already signed up for the event, go to linehaulsummit.com. You can check out the training tab there, see all of the info. These workshops are free of charge for you guys, for any TSPs or guys looking to become in the space. They're free for you. So join those out. Again, linehaulsummit.com, register for the show June 12th through the 14th. Really looking forward to seeing Emily and Jake down there, as well as a bunch of other vendors that are trying to different, I think, in this space, and you guys can attest to this. In my opinion, the one thing that we've got going for us, Linehaul Summit, is it's truly so educational based. You guys are giving of your time, of your hour to teach people how you guys do your business. And I can't thank you all enough for doing that.
Absolutely. And David, like you said, there are so many contractors that are absolutely so financially savvy that I learned stuff from them as well. I think the contractors that are really going to benefit the most from this are going to be contractors that, even if they've been in the business for 20 years, has really not spent a lot of time developing the foundation to go to the underwriter with their P&L, with their balance sheet, have a good business credit. And also brand new contractors that are just coming into the industry. This is not going to be something that they're going to want to miss.
Yeah. Awesome. Jake, Emily, thank you all so much again. Looking forward to seeing you all down there, and looking forward to seeing everybody else down there in Dallas again, June 12th through the 14th. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, David. See you in Dallas.